Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact server address, port, username, and password so you don't waste time guessing. Once done, make sure your iPhone is on the correct network or connected to a VPN if the server is remote. Captive portals can block access. Next, open or install the appropriate client app, SSH for terminals, SFTP for file transfers, VNC for desktop, or files for SMB, because the right tool determines available features and security options during the session. You now enter the server address and port in the app, selecting the protocol that matches the server. Make a clear choice between password and key authentication. Keys are safer, so import your private key into the app if available and provide the passphrase. Also adjust settings like connection timeout, compression, and TLS or SSH cipher preferences so transfers are reliable and fast. These adjustments affect speed, battery use, and security, so optimize based on network quality and your threat model. You tap Connect and carefully verify the host key or certificate fingerprint the first time to prevent man-in-the-middle attacks. Once connected, run a simple command or transfer a small file to confirm permissions and correct paths. If authentication fails or the session drops, check common issues: network reachability, firewalls blocking ports, DNS resolution, or an inactive VPN. A single troubleshooting tip: retry after disabling cellular data so the phone uses the expected Wi-Fi or VPN path, which often resolves routing errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.